Hi guys, welcome to more cocktails that you can do at home. Today we are making a Sazerac. If you like old fashions and you want to try something a little different, this will be right up your alley. So let's start off with absinthe. This is overproof and I tend to like it that way. So this is 110 proof. And all we're gonna do is pour a little bit of absinthe in the glass. And then we're just gonna dump out the rest of it. We're just gonna do a rinse in the glass so we don't overpower, because absinthe is a really, really strong liqueur. All right, the next thing we're gonna do are a couple dashes of Pechaud's bitters, like 2 or 3 good dashes. And we're gonna use a 1/4 ounce of demeura syrup, which is a raw sugar syrup. You could also just use a good old-fashioned simple syrup. But I like that style of syrup for dark spirits more, because the molasses and the sugar brings out some of the really nice character you get from the rye. Sazeracs should usually be made with rye, and this is Angel's Envy rye, which I really, really love. And this one is finished in Caribbean rum casks, so you get this really cool kind of caramely flavor on the finish. So I love this rye. The rye is a little bit spicier than bourbon. That's because rye, if you've ever had rye bread, think about how that's kind of spicy. Well, it's the same thing. It's made from more rye as the grain than other ingredients, and so you get that spice, which works out really nice in the cocktail. Let's add some ice to this. We've talked about dilution before, but our goal is to maybe give it, like 20 or so turns, and then let's try it out and see where it's at. Good, good. Maybe a little hot. So we'll go a couple more turns, should be about set. We've got these heavy flavors of the rye and of the sugar and the bitters, so let's brighten it up a little bit. Our garnish is a lemon twist. Express the oil so you get that brightness right on the front. Drop it in, and there you go. Sazerac, kind of a cool licoricey anise flavor from the rinse of the absinthe, that spicy rye, and a little bit sweet, and then the brightness from the peel. Absolutely perfect. Oh yeah, cheers.